Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
So
How
we
are
will continue the exercise in the workbook. So please take a workbook, all of you. Page number 5. Ah, Edel, very good. Oh, you made the clock. Super. So you can others can also make the clock, okay? And I will tell you one day that day you have to show me. What's the time, Edel? Edel, what's the time?
4 o'clock.
Ah, it's 4 o'clock. Very good. Can you change? Can you rotate the hands of the clock? Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am.
Others, see the clock. What's the time now?
One students to a come.
It's okay. No problem. 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Very good. 7 o'clock. Super anyway.
Thank you, ma'am.
See, others can also make the clock, okay? And I will tell you one day that day you have to bring it. That day you have to show me. It'll super it is. Your mother help you to make it? Yes. I like it very much. Super. Okay.
Book.
So please take a workbook. Please take a workbook. Page number 5. Page number 5. The same page you can see on the screen also.
I know already. Which page?
Page number 5. Page number.
Workbook. Textbook. Part 2 or
Part 2. Part 2.
textbook or workbook?
Workbook part 2. Workbook part 2. It's already mentioned in the group in the morning itself. So before the class, you can be ready with that. Without wasting the time, we can do it. So are you all ready? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we have multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. And here we are the first one. Rashi went out to see the stars at dash. Once again, Rashi went out to see the stars at dash. Option A, night. Option B, morning. Option C, afternoon. Option D, noon. Sarah, what's it?
Night.
Night. So you can put a tick mark for option A, night.
I can. Workbook or textbook?
Workbook.
Milkman gets milk in the
Book
trash when not ready for
part 2,
school.
page number 5. Workbook part 2, page number 5. Now let's move to 2. The milkman gets milk in the dash when I am ready for school. The milkman gets milk in the dash when I am ready for the school. Option A, afternoon. Option B, night. Option morning. Option D, evening.
Morning.
Morning. You can put a tick mark for option C, morning. Write capital letter C inside the bracket. Actually, these questions are from the standard 1 portion. Now, number 3. People eat breakfast in the dash. Option A, option B, morning. Option C, afternoon. Option D, evening.
Morning.
Yes. Now we will call out the name and they will give me the answer. Okay, others please be quiet. Now again we have multiple choice question. Question number 4. Which of the following number, not numbers, you can cut that S. Which of the following number you would not find on the face of the clock? Option A, 9. Option B, 10. Option C, 11. Option D 13. Johan, which number we can't see on the clock, face of the clock? Is it option A 9, option B 10, option C 11, option D 13?
13.
Option D 13. So you can put a tick mark for option D 13. Write capital letter D inside the bracket. It's written not fine. So the answer is option D 13. Now we have question number 5. The minute hand in the given clock is at dash. Minute hand means in the longer hand. Mano, what's the answer? The minute hand in the given clock is at dash. Option A 3, option B 12, option C 11, option D 4. Yes, option B 12. Goodbye. Now, Ivania Brighto, tell me the answer. Question number 6. The hour hand in the given clock. Hour hand means the short hand. The hour hand in the given clock is at dash. Option A 8, option B 12, option C 4, option D 5. Ivania, the hour hand in the given clock is at which number?
8.
8. Option A 8. What's the time?
8.
What's the time?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Very good. It's 8 o'clock.
8
Now complete the answers.
o'clock.
And those who have completed, please take page number 6. Page number 6. Here we have fill in the blanks. Question number 7. The short hand of the clock is known as the dash hand. What we call Hayan, the short hand. The short hand of the clock is known as the dash hand.
The short
It's
hand.
hand.
Hour hand.
H-O-U-R. Very good, right? Our hand. It shows the hours. Now, Maithili, tell me the answer. Question number 8. The time in the clock. What's the time in the clock?
11 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock. 11 O-C-L-C-K. 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
Now, number 9. Number 9. Irene, please tell me the answer. At 12 o'clock, the hour hand of the clock will be on the number dash. See, at 12 o'clock, the hour hand towards which number? 12 itself. Very good. It's 12 itself. If you draw the clock, see. See, here we can see 12, here 6, here 3, here.
Write the clock.
No need to draw. Just for understanding. Now 12 o'clock, always, the minute hand is always towards 12. If it is 12 o'clock, the hour hand is also towards which number? 12 itself. So both hands on the number 12 when it is at 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Now, very short answer questions. Question number 10. What is a long hand of the clock known as? Malavika, what is a long hand of the clock known as?
Minute.
It shows minutes. So we call it as a minute hand. M-I-N-U-T-E. Minute hand. M-I-N-U-T-E. minute
Read,
hand.
read the,
Hand.
read the time in the given clock.
Yes, read the time in the given clock. Adam, what is the first one? 7 to 1, what's the time?
9 o'clock.
Others, please be quiet. Adam, tell me the answer. What's the time?
What is the spelling of hour? 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Very good. The spelling of hour, H-O-U-R. Yes, Adam. Very good. 9 O-C-L-O-C-K. 9 o'clock.
I have completed.
Meghadosh, what about 12? What's the time? Question number 12. What's the time?
4 o'clock.
Very good. It's 4 o'clock. The upper hand is towards the number 4. So 4 o'clock. At 4.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. So those who have completed, you can take page number 7. Page number 7. Those who have completed, you can take page number 7.
Narihana clock.
Let me take page number 7. Abhinav MP, did you complete the answers?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so move to page number 7. And here again we have short answer questions. Mention the positions of the hour and the minute hand. Read the time on this clock. Now, Abhinav MP, tell me the answer. Others, please be quiet. Question number 13. See, the hour hand is at a dash. Hour hand means the short hand. Towards which number, Abhinav? The hour hand is at which number? Towards which number? Is Abhinav? 10. The upper hand, that means the short hand, is at 10. Abhinav, what's the time?
10 o'clock. 10
Ah,
o'clock.
10
5 o'clock.
Good, it's 10 o'clock. The hour hand is at 10. The time is 10 o'clock.
Ma'am, can you read the next question?
The hour hand is at 10. The time is 10 o'clock.
Ma'am, can...
Now, Austin, can you tell me the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
14. The minute hand is at a dash. Minute hand means the longer hand. Towards which number? 12. Yes, it's 12. Now, what's the time?
5 o'clock.
Austin, what's the time?
5 o'clock.
Ah, it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock.
Ma'am, can I tell the next question? At what time do you come
Yes.
home from
Here we have
school?
question number 15. At what time do you come home from school? At what time do you come home from school?
4 o'clock. 4 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock.
Ma'am, 5 o'clock.
See, from school. Not reaching the home. Starting from school. 4 o'clock.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I read the next question?
Yes, yes.
For it.
Yes. Let's see the next one.
All your morning activities in sequence tell you reach school. Also write the time at each you do them.
Yes. List all your morning activities in sequence, means in order, till you reach school. Also write the time at which you do them. You can write your own time. Okay, no problem. So we can write the activity, that is I get up. So I get up.
I
Hmm.
get up.
Time. I get up at
At
at 6 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. It's up to you. So in 6 o'clock.
Get
If it is
at
at 7 o'clock, no problem. It's up to you. I get up at 6 o'clock. If it is 7:30, you can write 7:30. No problem.
I am wake up in 6 o'clock.
I get up or I wake up at 6 o'clock. Okay.
I get up
I have my breakfast.
I have my breakfast
Uh,
in 3.
I have my breakfast. You can write your own time.
2 o'clock.
Huh?
2 o'clock.
Hey, breakfast
2
too.
o'clock. Ma'am, I have my breakfast. Ma'am, I wake up evening at 6 o'clock. Breakfast dinner.
My breakfast is 6 o'clock. If it was 7:30, you can write 7. Or if it's 8 o'clock, you can write your own time. No problem.
I have my breakfast.
Can I write 9:50?
Yes, you can write 7:30. No problem.
What is the spelling of breakfast?
B R B R E A K F A S T. Breakfast. B R E A K F A S T.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear.
I eat my breakfast in 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Ma'am, my
But
breakfast.
you're not coming to school, that's why, no?
I'm breakfast is 8:30. Ma'am, I am eating my breakfast 9 o'clock.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. It's up to you.
Ma'am, I had my lunch in
So, next, I go to school. I go to
I
go to the 8 o'clock. Okay? You can write
go
on time.
to school.
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
What is the spelling of school?
What's the spelling of school? S
At
E
8 o'clock.
S C H O O L.
8 O. Thank you, ma'am. Hello.
Welcome, my dear.
Ma'am, this is my class. Ma'am, one more line is there. Ma'am,
No, it's
one
up
more line is
till you reach school. So I reach school now at 8 o'clock. It's enough.
only 3 enough. Ma'am, only 3 or 4.
Only
Ma'am.
3. That is enough. In between, if you want to write, you can write. I get up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth at 6:30. You can write like that. No problem.
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay. So those who have completed, we can move to the next page.
Ma'am, next, Joe and Judy can read.
By looking.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
next, Joe and Judy can read.
Yes, yes. Who is going to read?
Ma'am, can read.
Start at dash clock. Fill in the blanks before time.
Just wait a minute, let me repeat. Please write.
Ma'am,
Complete the 70th question.
Okay, those who have completed, it's okay. Good.
Ma'am,
Sir, writing, let them complete. After that, we can go to the next page. Page number 8.
next,
Ma'am, the laptop have charge finished.
It's okay. If you are leaving, you please complete the answer in the workbook. I will send the same in the group.
Okay, ma'am. I join now only.
So please listen.
Ma'am, I join now only.
You please listen here. It's okay.
Ma'am, I have completed 17th question.
So those who join now, you don't worry. I will send the same notes. Let's move to
Joe and Judy can
number 8.
teach.
8 alarm. Complete the answers. Let's go to page number 8.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So here we have question number 17. Please.
Ma'am,
be quiet.
ma'am, next, Joe and Judy can read.
Okay, John Judy, please read question number 17.
Fill in the blanks with time by look at
Looking
the
at the clock. Okay. The first
clock.
I have
I have
snacks
snacks
at
at dash
the time. What's the time? Look at the clock and tell me what's the time.
4 o'clock.
Very good. It's 4 o'clock. I have snacks at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
I have snacks at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay, very good, very good.
Sarah, can I read?
Read the next one. B. Read the next one. B.
Ma'am, Sarah,
Yes, please.
my school
Starts
starts at dash clock
Ah.
in the morning.
What time?
9 o'clock.
Very good. It's 9 o'clock.
Ma'am, the next question tonight I can read.
Yes, yes. Please read.
I go to sleep at dash o'clock at night.
What's the time?
10.
Very good. It's 10 o'clock.
Ma'am,
So the next one, D. Okay, Sudhakirti, please read. Question D.
I start studying at dash o'clock in the evening.
Very
6
good.
o'clock.
What's the time?
6 o'clock.
Very good. It's 6 o'clock. I start studying at 6 o'clock in the evening. Very good.
I have finished all.
Okay, good. Now we have question number 18. Draw the hands of the clock to show 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Please draw the hands of the clock. Draw the hands of the clock, please. The first one, 1 o'clock. See, always you have to remember that if it is in hours, the longer hand, the minute hand is always towards the number 12. Then 1 o'clock, so the hour hand is towards the number 1 and it is short. You have to remember that. The longer hand, that is a minute hand. that is always towards number 12. The hour hand, short one, that is towards the hours. The next one, 3 o'clock. The same way, the minute hand is towards the number 12 and the short hand, the hour hand towards 3. One long and that one short. So when you are drawing, according to that, you have to draw.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, you will make a doubt.
Yes. Now, those who have completed, you can close your workbook. You have many questions in the practice problems that you can do by yourself. We will revise it during the time of revision. Okay. And we will have the test paper of also this chapter in the next week. In the next week.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt. Can I?
Yes, yes. Please ask.
Ma'am, the clock will be. Ma'am, can I draw clocks in rough books also, and can I write the?
Once again, please, louder.
Can I draw a clock and write the time it in rough
Which
book?
one? Which one? Which question answer?
It is not question answer, ma'am.
Which
Can
one?
I? Ma'am, can I draw
To
clocks
draw
in
the
rough
clock.
books?
Okay. You can draw the clock, no
And-
problem. You
I
can
am
draw
draw
the
one.
clock.
Can I show? Ma'am, I am draw one. Can I show?
Yeah, yes, yes. Voice is breaking, that's why I can't hear properly. Okay. What's the time? Tell me. Joel Maria, what's the time?
5 o'clock.
Yes, it's 5 o'clock. Very good. See, all of you can make a clock as like a idol. Okay, it's an activity for you. So you take your own time and make it. Now, if you have completed, you can close your workbook and please listen to me. You can close your workbook and please listen to me. See, in the beginning of this chapter, we talk about the days in the months. See, some months having 30 days, some months having 31 days, and the February is a special month having 28 or 29 days. So there is an easy way or easy method to find out the number of days in each month. Let's see, what's that? Do you want to know? What's that? Yes. See, all of you, show me your hands. Show me your hand. Show me your, only one hand. One hand is enough. Show me your hand.
Yes.
And just fold your fingers towards the palm as like fist. Yes. I will share the screen. That's what you can see. See, just 1 minute.
Under the clock.
See, the same way. See? Okay. Did you see?
You see a video.
Now, please listen. See? Now, you can see, you know, this portion, the finger joins the hand. This portion.
Mother, teach me
This we call it as knuckle. Okay. After the knuckle, you can see the dip. Okay. Listen. I will share the screen. Please listen.
I know how to do that. This is
Oh.
January. This is February.
Yes. Iron is showing. Okay.
Then my mother teach me that.
Okay. Good. Very good. Many of the students know. See, listen. Those who don't know, please listen
I
here.
know that.
Okay. Those who don't know, when many of the students know, those who don't know, please listen. See, we can do like this. Then this we call it as knuckle, and this is dip. Again knuckle, dip. Again knuckle, dip. Again knuckle. So the first knuckle now, that is which month? Which month it is that? That is January. Okay, January. Then the dip having February. Again knuckle. So March, April,
April,
May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So all the knuckle, no, on that knuckle the months will come. They have 31 days.
31.
The other months, no, on the tip that have 30 days.
30. I know that. That's
Okay,
my
so one of you please show me. Who will show? Who will show? Who is ready to show? Okay, Aradi, please show others. Please show others. Yes.
January,
Very good.
March, April,
Ah.
May, June,
Ah.
July, August, September,
Ah.
October, November, December.
Yes, very good. So on the knuckle, the months will come that have 31 days. On the dip having 30 days.
30 days.
Okay. Okay.
Aravan drawing the clock.
Who's ready? Okay, okay, Johan.
And Sarah draw the clock.
Okay, Johan.
February.
Johan, once again. Please. Okay. Show the fist. Show the fist.
January,
Okay. Now,
February, March, April, May, June, July, August,
No, August is same as knuckle, on the knuckle. Or you can start from here itself. No problem. August, then the dip.
September,
Ah.
October, November, December.
Okay. So all the knuckles having 31 days. And on the dip having 30 days. That is an easy method to find out the days of the months. So, okay. And February having a different. Okay, Ayush, the last one. Ayush will show you the last one. After that, we can wind up. Okay, Ayush, please.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good. So all the months coming on knuckle having how many days, Ayush? The months coming on the knuckle having how many days? 31. Very good. And the months coming on the dip having 30 days. Okay, good. And February having a different one, having 28 or 29 days. Okay then, thank you. Bye. You can make your own clock.
Ma'am, Sarah one clock.
Sarah draw the clock. Okay, see, you can make the clock as Edeland. You try to make a clock. Okay, Sarah, using the cardboard, and you can use a straw. Straw you can use like that. So thank you for joining. Bye. See you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.